Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix headset mic, microphone, condenser microphones or USB microphones or the mic or any kind of the mic or microphone not working or not detecting when plugged in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very simple problem and I give the multiple solution to fix this simple problem. So let's go to our video and fix our problem. First solution is very easy and basics. Go to the start and here type settings. Click on the settings. Type the settings and click on the settings. In a settings, we find many options. Click on privacy and security. Click on the privacy and security. Here scroll down and here we find microphone. Click on the microphone. In a microphone, go to the here microphone access and make sure it is on. And also click on this let apps access your microphone and make sure it is on and select this all options if you want to select this all option. And main option is let desktop apps access your microphone. It's give access to install apps by you. If you install any kind of the software or app, then it's give access to that software or app. Make sure it is on and after that close it, restart your machine and your problem is solved. Our second method is also easy and simple. Go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel. In a control panel, if it's something like this category, change it to the large icons. Here you find many options. Go to the here sound, click on the sound, close our control panel, make a center it. Here you find many options. And if you want to your default speaker or the default headphone or default audio device, if you want to make sure, go to the your monitor speaker or headphones, speakers or any other audio device, then go to that device. In this case, I'm going to the LG monitor or my monitor speaker. Right click on it and click on set as default. If you want to headphone, then go to the headphones, right click on it and set as a default. And now this headphone is set as a default. And I want to check a properties. So I click on this properties, select this and go to the properties. Here you find many options. Go to the here device use and select at this point, use this device enable. Select this, use this device enable. After that, go to the here levels, select the levels and make sure headphone levels are between 60 to 100%. It is in 60 to 100% as you like. And after that, click on the apply, click on the OK. Next step is go to our recording. I click on the recording device. In recording device, I had only one device. If you have a multiple device, select your device, same thing, right click on that and set as default. Right click on it and set as default. I have only one device, so it is not asked for the set as default. It's automatically set as the default. After that, select your default device or selected device. Select it, click on the properties. Same thing, go to the device use and select this, use this device enable. Select this. After that, go to the here levels and make sure it is from the 90 to 100% as you like, from 80, 90 or 100. Make sure 80 to 100%. And after that, go to the listen, go to the listen and here we find listen to this device. If you want to hear your voice or listen your voice in your headphone or audio device, then check this mark, check this or select this, click on the apply, click on the OK and restart your machine. Click on OK and restart your machine. 110% your problem is solved. If it's not solved, then I give the additional third method. Our third method is very easy and simple. Go to the start, right click on the start and here you find device manager. Here you find device manager, click on device manager or go to the start and type device manager and click on the device manager. Here we find our device manager. In device manager, here we find audio input and output. Select this or expand this and go to your speaker or the headphone, in this case headphone, right click on it and click on this update drivers. Click on the update drivers, first update it and go to the search automatically for drivers. If any drivers is fine, then select this, make sure your internet connection is on and I'll install that drivers. If it's not fine, then go to the search update drivers on Windows automatically. If you not find your drivers, then go to the search for update drivers on Windows update. Okay, and check for updates, and if any kind of the update related to your audio is fine, then update that drivers. This is our method. Our another method is go to the headphones or the your default speaker or the headphone or the mic, right click on it and click on the uninstall device, uninstall that device, and after uninstall reinstall that device, that also, or restart your machine and it is automatically detect your device, and this also solve your problem in many time. Another way is go to your device, right click on it, and here we find scan for hardware changes and check any other device or the any other uh, update is available or not. In many cases, go to the here update drivers and go to the here browse my computer for drivers. It is another way. And if you have a CD, DVD, or any kind of the drivers of your mic or the speakers, then go to the browse and install that drivers. Another method is go to the let me pick for the latest list of available drivers on my computer. Select that, and if any outdated drivers, if this drivers is not working, then go to the there, here we find generic software or any other drivers, then select the drivers, click on the next and install that drivers, and this also solve your problem. Another method is if you're using software for the your audio or the recording, then go to that software and make sure it is not disabled in this software. So I go to the start. In my case, I am using Focusrite, so I type my software name. You type your software name and click on that software. After that, if it's disabled from here or it is in low, then go to the high. In this case, this is the my software and I go with the this software and I change the settings of this software, and this is also fix the your problem. So guys, this is the multiple ways to fix microphone, mic, USB microphone, or any kind of the mic or microphone problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.